I recently received some criticism for how it is that I could defend people who have been accused of very serious violence, especially in a gang-related incident. Now, this criticism came from someone who was involved in that gang incident, but it was his friend who was on the receiving end. He got hurt pretty bad. The violence was absolutely atrocious. Don't get me wrong. I absolutely sympathize with people who have been hurt in context of violence, and I understand that it can be a terrifying thing for our community. I have seen the worst kinds of injuries. I have seen dead bodies that have experienced death in ways that you cannot even imagine. Trust me, I'm in a position to truly empathize with our society and how bad violence can be. However, I can put it to my friend who so quickly criticized me that if you were not the victims of that altercation, but the winners, and you were in fact the ones who had committed that violence and those atrocious wounds against the people that you were in an altercation with, that it would be you that is looking at a lengthy 5 to 6 years in prison for charges of serious injury. The person who was the victim of that altercation, who received the stab wounds, would have made a statement so exaggerated that you wouldn't even believe that was the narrative that actually occurred. That the police would have vehemently pursued that statement and executed that investigation to ensure that the most serious charges are laid against you. That the media would have taken hold of this narrative, this exaggerated, crazy narrative, then they will turn you into an unimaginably evil monster. And your whole society will be against you. Everyone will be condemning you. And at that point, you will want someone in your corner to bring every single person in this world down to reality. And that is why you would contact someone like Enes Marsalis.